Yes, guys, if you're looking for a fantastic AI image generator, then this video is for you. I'm going to look at 5 different AI image generators, give you some quick pros and cons, looking at quick comparison between them, and give you my own humble opinion, mate. So if you want to find out what's the best ones out there or what ones you should be using, check this video out right now. But as usual, love digital products, love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad AI stuff. Then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, because that's what we do on this channel, man. Listen, I'm looking at Midjourney right now. This is my go-to AI image generator, to be honest with you. And why I like it is because the quality is fantastic. You know, that detail is amazing, and it produces all kinds of different design styles, which I love, and the quality maintains. Now, you know, some people, a lot of people love this, and it is definitely one of the top tier image generator tools out there. So, okay, so listen, with Midjourney, you got to get on the Discord. So this is how you can create your own channel so that you don't have to talk to other people or interact, and have your own space where you actually create your design. So how Midjourney actually works, I'll be real quick, is obviously with any of these AI generators, you create a prompt, which is a string of words, and then this string of words will produce a design for you. Now, in this case, I did the whole string of words, which are this one to do with a tall smiling giraffe with black sunglasses sitting in a red American pickup truck holding a big ice cream driving down a wet road, right? I tried to do that because I want to do a quick comparison with the other ones. Now, it produced for me 4 different results, which are pretty good. And then I went with this one. Now, although the ice cream's not being held by the giraffe, however, the whole design is better than the other one. So look, in terms of prompts and designs, you're not always going to get exactly what you want. And sometimes you do need to regenerate. So in this case, I probably would have regenerated just to make sure I get the right design. But I just want to be real quick with this video. So quality-wise, it's really good, to be honest with you. In terms of accuracy, sometimes it does lack it. However, if you do regenerate, you will get that sort of as close to the prompt as possible, right? And that's what really you want to know. And it is one of the top image generators out there. So it is pretty good. And the quality is really good. And you can upscale it. So that means that the resolution can be pretty good. Now, very quickly, I just want to show you also the pricing with this one. So pricing works like this. You got like a basic plan at $10, then a standard plan, then a pro plan, then a mega plan. Yeah, I would recommend always go with the basic first just to see and try it out. You can always go to the other ones with more features later on. Now, the next one on my list I would suggest is something called Leonardo AI. I think Leonardo is fantastic, to be honest with you. I love the interface. I love the layout. I love the way it looks. I love the dashboard, and it really does produce some fantastic results. So do check out the link in my description, because I think it's a fantastic tool to use. Now, one thing I will say with this one, it does, again, I put the same sort of prompt in the image generation. And, you know, there's a lot of things on the tool. You can choose how many images you want. You can choose if you want to add certain sort of features or add some style to it. And again, what you'll do is it will cost you tokens, right? So these are the tokens that generate when I clicked it. You can do various other things, add a transparency background. You can put your size, input your size. So there's many different layers to this where you can input a lot of detail to get exactly what you want. Now, in terms of the results, you know, the results vary. And again, in this case, you know, you got the smiling giraffe with sunglasses again in a pickup truck holding an ice cream. Again, just they are slightly different. You're always going to get different results, guys. So I always suggest regenerate to see what look you want, because you just might want a certain style of design. So always try and add as much detail as possible also to your prompt to get the accuracy. The accuracy helps when you add detail, right? Because even in terms of like the focus, the camera, how close it is to the pickup truck, actually go into detail. However, look, really nice again, obviously different look to the last one, but really great results. Now, I would also suggest that if you want to, you know, get Leonardo, is what's good about Leonardo AI. Another thing which is really cool. What I like about Leonardo also is that you can actually start completely free. And I definitely suggest you do that. Look, if I click on the tokens here, if I click the tokens at the top, you can see you can start actually for free. You get 150 tokens, try it out. Then you can go up a little level to $12 where you get more features, more tokens, 8,500. So it's really nice. It's a really good stepping stone. So, and Leonardo's amazing because they got Upscaler on there. They got editing tools. So, you know, if you want a nice all-round, you know, image generator with added tools, then Leonardo's the way forward. And like I said, results are really cool. So check it out. Link is right there. Now, I've got some other ones which I'm going to show you. Now, this one is actually through Microsoft. So if you got a Hotmail account or something, you can actually generate for free. Now, look, obviously you can you know, use their free generator, you know, but look, like I keep saying, sometimes with some of these other tools, you know, the results are not going to be maybe as good. Although, look, if you want to use these things for, you want to do a quick image generator, not to actually sell as a digital product with really high quality, then these are amazing because they can very quickly produce something for you, which you can use. But like I said, they may not be as good quality. So this one, I mean, look, it's interesting. Look, I just did the same prompt with that smiling giraffe, black sunglasses. However, I did specify that I wanted it in watercolor. So it's not quite watercolor. It's a very cartoon style. But look, it's a really fun image. And it did pick up on a lot of the things that I mentioned in my prompt. I mean, it's quite funny, actually. So these are really nice, especially if you want to use it for kind of smaller items. So definitely check it out. If you go to microsoftdesigner.microsoft.com, it's free to use, especially if you've got and you can just create an email account, Microsoft Hotmail email account, right? Quite quick, right? And that's a free, completely free one, right? Next one I want to show you. So that's the third one. Now obviously a really, really popular one, big one is DALL-E 3, right? ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can see that I'm using DALL-E through ChatGPT. Again, a fantastic image generator that I like to use. Again, it's another really, if you like, good quality one. Like I said, if you got ChatGPT, you can always create this. And here you go. This is the ChatGPT. Again, very much the cartoon style, not quite the watercolor style that I was looking at. But again, you can you know, adjust the prompt and increase it. But look, I mean, look, if you look at it, the ice cream is massive. And, you know, it's not there's no proportion to it. So it is on a wet road, you know, and it does look like an American pickup truck, and it does have glasses and is a smiling giraffe. However, it's not exactly what I was looking for. You know, this is going to cost you around $20 if you want to use DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT to create images. Like I said, you can get really good results with DALL-E 3. However, like I said, for me, in terms of, you know, an all-round AI, I do prefer, you know, I probably prefer the Midjourney or the or Leonardo AI with regards to image generation. But like I said, drop in the comment below what your preference is. I'd love to know why you've chosen what you've chosen, what you use actually as your image generator. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. So look, there are other really good ones like Playground and Stable Diffusion. Those are really good as well. But I'm going to show you the fifth one is a bit of a sort of different one. Look, you've actually got an image generator on Canva for those of you that got Canva. I'll show you very quickly the quality of this one. And actually, you'd be surprised, it's not too bad. It's not something that I would recommend using in terms of for selling. I think really the high quality ones are really, we're looking at Midjourney and we're looking at Leonardo. Those are pretty good quality. But I want to just show you something really cool, right? So look, I'm on Canva, so let me just get the sizing very quickly. But like I said, some of you might be surprised on how good it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my usual giraffe on a pickup thing. Generate the image. Let's see what it looks. It's very interesting. Like I said, okay, it's doing it now. It's going to produce. So if you do have a Canva account, check out link in my description. You know, it's a great editing suite, to be fair, and it does have many fantastic features. And you know what? You'll be surprised as well. I mean, like I said, I was quite surprised on some how good, you know, the designs it's produced. I mean, look at this one. I'll be honest with you. You know, it ain't too bad. I mean, literally, it's pretty good, right? Look. Right, and obviously, you know, I mean, in terms of, look at that. That is a definite giraffe in a watercolor style with sunglasses, and it's got ice cream. Like I said, for me personally, the quality, if I'm looking at real quality, I'm definitely looking at things like Midjourney AI, and I'm looking at Leonardo. And also it has other all-around features. Now, there are features that I can use with this. Like I said, Canva's great for editing, you know. However, you know, in terms of the size, if you look at the size, the quality, it might not be as great resolution-wise, but obviously you can sort of, you know, you can work on that. So to be honest with you, look, I would definitely play around with it, and it does, and as you know, Canva has some really good editing tools with it. So if you want to actually try it out and start off just by practicing and onto that level, then I think it can work quite well. However, in terms of that top tier quality kind of image generator, you're really looking at, you know, that Midjourney and Leonardo. Those two are great. I think Leonardo is pretty amazing because it does have other things that really help it with its editing in terms of its upscaling, in terms of the background removal, and then other layered stylized styles that you can add to it. And also, like I said, the dashboard and the dashboard is really easy to use. the website, the platform is just an easy platform to use, and it does have nice little steps in terms of its subscription. So I would definitely probably, you know, look at those two are probably the best out of the ones. But like I said, DALL-E 3 is pretty cool as well. Stable Diffusion, which we never really went through. You've got Playground also, which is cool. And then you've got the free ones where you can literally, I would say, use them in terms of if you want something quite small, not really to sell in terms of the quality, but, you know, something to generate small images that you want to use for your socials and other things, then I definitely think Canva is a really good one. And I think that also Microsoft one is a really cool one as well. So guys, tell me your thoughts and put in the comments below what your thoughts are, what you use, what your opinion is, guys. But as usual, if you love the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. See you on the next one. Take care, mate. Take care.